Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to resolve the LinkMgr error in TallyPrime. You may be encountering this error while operating TallyPrime. You can resolve this error by repairing the company data using run or command prompt. This resolution will also work for Manager 900 or 1800 error. Open command prompt or run. Enter the path where tally.x is located, followed by the company data path and the number 0. Press Enter. TallyPrime will now start in command prompt. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus R and select the company to repair. Following these steps, you can easily resolve the LinkMgr error and repair your company data in TallyPrime.